Good morning, all. Good morning. Good morning. We have entered 8 months, and this morning I want to do a lot of cooking. I've been working, and today I have to do. My husband cooked 2 different soups, so I'm secured in the side of soup. So I decided to make stew, but I'm feeling like so tired this morning. But I need to make sauce because that particular vegetable. So if I don't make it, that simply means the whole thing, vegetable, might spoil. So I woke up this morning and I noticed I don't have clothes again. The extent in your life when you don't even have a clothes to wear. Guess who have these clothes that I'm putting on? My mother-in-law. The last time she came here, some of her clothes, she left it here. She left it with me, and I was like, when will I wear these clothes to? It's too big. Is this one is too big? It's not my size. She said, just keep it, didn't it? Today, just to recognize that, just to notice that those clothes she kept since almost a year ago are not the ones saving me at this point in time in my life. You can't believe it. Look at that girl. This is my mother-in-law's girl. You can see 8 months pregnancy. My kitchen is in a mess. I don't blame anybody. If you're in UK, you understand, but we'll have to start somewhere. Clean the kitchen before we start. We've already had breakfast. Bliss made breakfast for herself. I made for Favor and my husband. So Fabi went to work last night, so he's sleeping. You can see 8 months. So today we'll be doing a lot of cooking. I don't know how many I will stop, but I've been cooking. So let's do this together. I don't know, I'm tired, but I feel better now. I feel so better now. My stomach wasn't too good this morning, but I had to rest up to 15 minutes or 10 minutes. I told myself, if you don't cook this, the vegetables, everything is going to be in a mess. So encourage yourself. So the plates are already in the sink are the ones we had used for breakfast. So I'll be washing them all through. Arranging the kitchen a bit before we start. I'll start my cooking this morning. It's been a great journey. A super journey. So people have been asking me, how are you even managing? How are you even coping? I run on Jesus' strength. Psalm 91 has been my favorite. You can't believe since I had car accident in January. The funniest thing is that I was pregnant. I don't even know I was pregnant and I had that accident. My dear, if you have something that is bigger than God, don't near me. Don't near me. I know what I'm saying. Just don't near me. I know what I'm saying, because this God, you cannot come and tell me God. Me, I have tested of God's mercies. What I mean, I have seen God coming through for me like this. That I will first say like this, I will be shedding deep tears, because you can't tell me God is not real. When I see people say they don't believe in God, they don't do this, I'll be like, this person, you need to stay away from me, because I have seen this God coming through for me in so many ways. I have seen him in so many. Where will I start? If I start now, we will not go. So don't say I don't know how I'm doing it, but it has been God alone. He has been my strength. Like I said, since I had a car accident, my favorite psalm now is Psalm 91. I make sure by God's grace to proclaim it every day of my life. Before I leave in the morning, if I don't even pray, I want to proclaim that psalm. I want to proclaim it before I leave my house. If I miss it on the way going to work, I'm proclaiming it. You won't understand. God, if you don't have God, I don't know where you have it. I don't know. Okay, let's start. When you tell a little girl to make her breakfast, so don't blame her. She just carried chair, brought her. I won't blame her for anything. I won't blame her for anything. enjoy cruising this my mother-in-law gown. It really suits me at this point in time. The daughter have been disturbing me. Mommy, get it. I have to make spaghetti today. You check it, you will be seeing it. I really have to make this spaghetti today.
you know.